Is your home in need of a serious deep clean? Let VU Care's deep cleaning services work wonders and restore every corner of your space. First, our single-disc machines thoroughly clean the floors, ensuring even the deepest dirt is removed. Dust and cobwebs are removed from every surface area. This includes ceiling, walls, and furniture. We clean windows with window frames and doors to ensure even tracks and handles sparkle. In the kitchen, we degrease surfaces and cabinets to leave your countertops and appliances looking spotless. In every bathroom, fixture sanitizing is ensured for sinks and toilets to bathtubs, while scrubbing tiles and mirrors for a gleaming finish. We will vacuum upholstered furniture and mattresses and carpets in eliminating dust and allergens. No detail is too small as we clean light fixtures, fans, and switchboards. And to wrap it all up, we'll rearrange your items, leaving your home tidy and ready to enjoy. VU Care Deep Cleaning Services, bringing your home back to life. Book your deep cleaning with VU Care today. A cleaner home for a brighter tomorrow.